tilt over tower that I built. There she is there. I've taken the carriage off for the rotator. So what I've got a lifter that I've built. This thing bolts to the outside edge of the pole. It's got a winch. It'll lift the center of the pole. It'll lift this off. So what we'll do, I'll hook it on, stop the video, hook it on, and give everyone a demo of how this lifter works. It's pretty simple. It's just basically an arm with a couple of clamps. It'll fit a round pole or a square pole. At the top there's a pulley, comes down to a winch. So that's just something I made up out of some scrap steel. It'll sit over there and bolt down that pole, but anyway, you'll get more of an idea when it's in position. But time's come to decommission this and then get ready to put the 3-stage tower up in its place. So the pour is all done, all ready to go. Conduits have been moved, the distribution box is ready. So anyway, all right, well, I'll come back next video and we'll go from there. Okay, this is the last part of the decommissioning of the tower, or if you want to, this could be the raising of the tower. Here's the boom, or the mast pole. We've got it resting on here, comes along. I've got a pair of steps underneath it. You can't have enough security. I'm going to try to lower this with this winch. This is a cheap Chinese winch and the gear in here is rooted, so I've just got to be very careful. I don't normally use stainless cable, but there's not that much weight. So here it is here. It's already on the other side of the pole. Too hard to film and do that. It was just a matter of pulling the pivot pin out, lifting it up over the edge and dropping it off to the side. Cable comes up to the top of the jib there, down and to the winch, to the shitty Chinese winch. It's bloody new and it's cooked itself, the gears. They make everything so cheap and terrible. So there it is there. Now it's just a matter of lowering it down and putting it on the ground, and she's basically decommissioned, taking the pole off. Let me grab these steps out from underneath. I like to have a lot of security when I'm doing these things. So there's this. Let's see if we can get this winch to work. Goodness me. Oh, sorry about the filming. It's very hard one-handed. Missed the last bit of the video for some reason. Anyway, it shut off. So there it is. It's all off. It's coming down here. And here's the pole, or the mast, sitting on a concrete block. I'll separate it, the black from the silver. If I don't separate it and it doesn't come apart, I'll put a couple of blocks underneath it and chop it. It's not needed for a project at the moment. So all I've got to do now is take off the winch cable. Then I'm left behind with the upright. The upright is held in the ground with some oversized flanges in the concrete, so I've just got to lift it out. It's not too much grief. Actually, while I'm here, I'll show you the pivot system. I've got a pivot down the bottom here for the cable to go through that pulls the back, and another one here under the winch and then up to this winch. This is a good quality, nice heavy duty Korean winch, and it pulls the back of the pole up and down for raising and lowering it. Anyway, work safe. I hope that that gives a few people an idea of what's going. Next will be the tower here. The footings are already in for the tower, so it's just a matter of finding a little bit of time. We've got 1,000 projects, and I managed to find myself a couple of hours this afternoon to get this done. All right, work safe. Just remember that, as I tell my friends, it's a marathon, not a sprint. So work safe. There's a picture of the pole, the jib pole that does it. It can go anything around up to 180 mil round pipe, or square or whatever. It's totally adjustable, so it's just an extra pair of hands. Anyway everyone, thanks for watching. Catch you the next one.